guys, welcome to Sal Digitals. My name is Paulo Logo. Today I'm going to show you how to pan and zoom in Filmora X, just like in that video you're seeing in the screen. For example, if you look at this video from here, maybe you see it, is it zooming out or zooming in? This one is coming from an angle, and then you see the couples. Then this one you start from an. This is what we're going to do. So let's begin. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to drag this picture here, and I'm also going to drag where's that video? I'm going to drag this video here, like so. I'm also going to drag this picture here, like so. So I'm also going to drag maybe this video here. So I'm going to crop it here so that it doesn't become so big. Look at it so that it doesn't become so big. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click this, go into the crop tool, then it will bring me this dialog box. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to somewhere called pan and zoom to bring me this. There's this end and start. I'll just use the one that resets here. I just click here and maybe test it, see how it will see. Then if I say okay, if I play it in the timeline here, you'll see it zooming in. Now the next object you're also going to do the same. I just come to pan and zoom, crop here, then it will take me to pan and zoom. But this time we're going to do it manually. So we're going to start maybe from somewhere, maybe the cursor is not there. Let's make sure the cursor is here. This one is selected. Then you go to come and pan and zoom. Then you come here. Now I'll make sure this, now I'll play around, I'll do it manually. I'll start from maybe this angle here. This is the start, then it will, I'll come and choose this end. So it will end when the face is seen. Then if I try to play it with you see where it starts. It has copped out some part. So that is, I don't want to use that. So maybe I reset. Maybe I want them to start. No, maybe I want them to end here. So I'll start here. Maybe the start should be here. Then it will zoom up to here. Then it will be big, like so, like so, and extend this like so. Now if I preview, you see it starting from this, then it goes, then it will show all the faces like so. So if I say okay, if I play here, you see where it's starting. Now the next object, which is this, I'm going to click this one. I'll come to crop and again and zoom. Then I'll come this time. I'll now use this one here. I don't know that time use this where it is zooming out. So I'll double click this until you see all this other data. Then if I trust, you see what it does. Now that is that. Then also this one, I'll come again, crop until this one, pan and zoom. Then I just want it to, if I try it, yeah. Then I just say okay, like that. So guys, that's how to, if I play all of them, that's how to pan and zoom in Filmora X. There are more videos I've done of how to use Filmora X. Just go to the description section and click the links, and it will take you to the videos that I've done before. Guys, take care, have a nice day, peace.